And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, you know, we've been having off and on storms. That's going to be a little bit like today?
Yeah, it's arriving a little bit later than it did yesterday. Yesterday, you remember, we were already getting some rain, but the rain is on the way. It's just going to take a little longer for it to get here. What that's going to do is to allow the temperatures to go a little bit higher, which in turn could give us some rather stronger thunderstorms in the area, and we'll only have a marginal risk, as you'll see in a moment, for any of those storms to become severe, but we do expect to see some more rain coming in as we get through the afternoon here in East Texas. As we look across Tyler right now, it's 73 degrees, south-southeast winds at 6 miles per hour, relative humidity at 81%. And here are the storms. They started to the west. There were a couple of lines there, and you can see just west of Fort Worth they merged, and that's the line. It's kind of broken right now, but it is headed for us here in East Texas. And as we get into the middle of the afternoon, should be arriving. It's already beginning to affect the far western tip of Henderson County and also up into Hunt County, just about to move into Hopkins County and Rains County as we go on through the next few hours here in East Texas. It is a little bit more put together back to the west. Some of those storms south of the Metroplex are rather strong and have the potential to produce some small hail and perhaps 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and that line extends all the way to the west back to the Abilene and Coleman and Brownwood vicinity there south of I-20, and those storms continue to move to the east as well. Severe outlook for today, just a marginal risk, does cover just about all of East Texas. That's the lowest on the scale of 1 to 5 of our risk for severe storms. Here's our temperatures, and right now we're warming up into the 70s, and as I said, we'll have time to warm up a little bit more today before the rain arrives, so expect those high temperatures to be in the 80s for most of East Texas, perhaps some high 70s up there to the north along I-30 around Sulphur Springs and the Mount Pleasant vicinity. Over the next 7 days, normal high runs about 78. We expect to run above that each day with highs in the 80s. We'll go to about 82 today. 60% chance of those showers and storms showing up here within the next few hours. As we get into the weekend, we'll keep that afternoon chance of showers and thunderstorms with us through Friday. Should be ending Saturday. We'll have another one coming in next week starting about Tuesday and Wednesday. That could result in some heavy rainfall in East Texas as a storm system sets up over the southwestern part of the country for a few days. You can check that forecast anytime by going to our website, KETK.com.
John, thank you. After 3